Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to the north, which in La Union, guys. So we are heading for a quick getaway with my auntie's family, my dad's sister, guys. So one of my dad's sister. So we are heading for a family getaway for today's video. So makita nyo kung saan tayo pupunta for today's video, guys, sa La Union. So what are we waiting for? Are you excited for a road trip? Happy watching! People of the universe, good morning guys. So today, nandito tayo sa Thunderbird. So nakita nyo kanina yung road trip natin papunta sa Thunderbird. So ngayon guys, yun na nga. So nandito kami for 3 days and 2 nights. So itutour namin kayo mamaya and we will go to somewhere else, guys. So mamaya ulit. Happy watching!
Bis kasi ko tayo, mawala sa dagat na. Babad dun sa ano. Asan na sina ano?
kami guys sa cafe sa loob ng harap pala ng Thunderbirds. Ayan, kita niya.
Walang power.
So, we don't have power today. Generator lang. So, ayan yung lobby. Ayan yung pinaka main entrance. So, ayan na guys. Nakita nyo, very peaceful yung ocean ba. So, mamaya ulit. So, that's it guys. That's our Thunderbird Resorts and Casino Poro point for today's video. Nakita nyo kanina guys, ang Thunderbirds is a Santorini of the North. And if you haven't yet been in La Union guys, this is like inside of the base. So, at the end of this road sa Poro point, yung base ng aircraft maintenance ng Air Force or the military service guys. So before there, you can see the Thunderbirds. It's very famous, it's very common things to do in La Union. Makikita nyo ang Thunderbirds. They also have a different ambience, different pictures guys. Ibig ng nilang sabihin. So anyways, nakita nyo dito kami nagstay for 3 days and 2 nights. We're not staying in the hotel itself, but we're staying in the compound of Thunderbirds. So, makita nyo madaming bahay doon, guys, diba? Parang Santorini lang sa Greece. Pero, hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Greece. But, hopefully, in the future. So, anyways, nag-book yung auntie ko for a AIRBNB. It's one of the villa there on the left side. Nakita nyo, it's a big villa. So, it's a big villa consists of 4 rooms. So, 4 rooms here together with my father, my dad is one of the room. One of the room is my uncle's family. One of the room is my auntie's family. And one is for Jax and I. So, nakita nyo, it's an Airbnb and it's very expensive. Yes. So, it costs like 150,000. 2 nights. So, it's very quite expensive, guys. Hindi kasi kami kumuha sa hotel kasi nga madami kami. We have a lot of people here. We have kids also. So, we prefer na if you have a big family, you do Airbnb. And it's quite cheap. They also have a cheap one, but since we have white people in our family, we prefer to do a Airbnb. So yes, so we do Airbnb. You can see also our rooms. So hindi ko na tinur kayo sa room ng sa other rooms. I also tour lang yung sa room namin ni Jax. So, nakita nyo yung view namin. We have a terrace. On the other side is my auntie's room. So, kapag binuksan nyo yung terrace, guys, we have a decent, I'm not sure if it's queen size bed or a king size bed. So, anyways, pag nakita nyo, may terrace siya na pinakita ko kanina earlier. You also have a different villa, different people. I think people there is a tenant or people there also live there. So, I don't have any idea. Pero kasi may mga sakyan na sila. They also have a different thing there outside of their houses, their villas. So, you can see also the very calming and very peaceful bay dun sa harapan ng terrace namin. They also have a golf course sa Thunderbird. So, Thunderbird it also have a casino, but the casino is outside the villa. You can outside the gate and on the other side, guys. So, our last day, we also went to the casino and natalo ako, guys. Nanalo si Jax. I'm not sure, but my auntie also won and Jax won also. So, natalo ako, guys, sa casino. I'm not good in casino. Jax is good in casino. Pero natalo siya before, pero nabalik sa kanya din. So, he won. So, anyways, nandun din yung papa ko, yung mama ko, yung mga adults lang kasi mga kids iniwan sa villa. They cannot go to the casino. So, yun na nga guys. Nakita nyo, we also went to the Capsat restaurant. Ayun, nakita nyo na yung mga nandoon. Hindi ako masyado nag-film because this video is also relaxing. I also just give you some of the tour dito sa Thunderbird. Since this is my first time in Thunderbird, my whole family's first time in Thunderbird Resorts in La Union sa San Fernando. Guys, so this is the north part of the Philippines. Papunta na siya ng vegan. So anyway, highway, that's the end of our Thunderbird Resort kasi, no? Ang ating tour, ating vacation, our getaway, our family getaway in the Philippines because we need to have a getaway because my aunties will leave soon. So, mauna silang umalis kesa sa amin ni Jax. So, anyway, Javi, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And mag-love shout out to these wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today. And please do subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And mwah! Chala!